Good morning, students. Let's learn one more writing skill, that is interview writing. In this video, we are going to learn what is an interview, what are guidelines for writing an interview, and one example how to write an interview. Interview is a meeting of a reporter or writer with a person whose views are requested. Students, an interview is a formal conversation between two or more people where the interviewee is asked a series of questions by the interviewer. Today, we have a lot of access to the interviews. We come across interviews either in some functions or in the television or in any magazines and the newspapers. An interview is a multidimensional view of the person. It is not merely a question and answer session, but it is a kind of dialogue where the person who takes interview talks less than the person who is giving an interview. The interviews give us a lot of information and boost for the betterment of life and set an example for our life. The interview is a heart-to-heart sharing of the people to inform, to set an example, to entertain and to motivate the people or the audience or the readers. Many people like interviews because they educate us about others, where we can learn and enjoy from those who are interviewed. The interviews are the life-giving examples that make us live and progress in life. Students, let's take a look at some guidelines for writing an interview. First one, the person who is taking an interview should prepare a questionnaire before going for interview. Questions asked should be logical and arranged in proper order. One question and its answer should lead to the other, and finally when the 10 questions and answers are ready, it should have complete information on the topic about which the interview was conducted. Students, remember, questions should be clear, concise and to the point. Avoid ambiguous questions. It is always dominated by the interviewee rather than the interviewer. The interviewer always tries to instigate or encourage the interviewee to speak more through the question he asks. Don't stray away from the main topic while framing the questions or the answers. It should be an informative piece. Interview gives us the clear picture of the person who is interviewed. It does not leave us blank after the interview. Next point is avoid cliché and personal questions. Students, remember, simple personal questions should be avoided in the public interviews. The question should be up to the mark. Next point is be natural and interesting. The interviewee should be given information regarding the subject so that it can become fruitful and enjoyable for the audience as well as the interviewer. If a well-known or successful personality is being interviewed, the last question asked may be, do you have any message for those who look up to you as a role model? Or similar questions. Students, these are some important guidelines to be followed while writing an interview. Now, let's take a look at an example how to write an interview. Example, interview a student who has received the Best Student Award. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Congratulations, you are the Best Student Award winner. A great achievement indeed. How do you feel?
On the top of the world. Words cannot express my happiness on receiving this award.
Why do you think you were selected for this award?
My teacher told me that I was considered because I managed to strike an excellent balance in curricular and co-curricular activities. The teacher also added that I never created any indiscipline in the class.
Of course, we know that you are a role model to your classmates. Why don't you tell us the secret of your academic excellence?
Time management is the key to my success. Apart from that, I am completely devoted to studies when I am at it. The fact that I am very attentive in the class too has helped me.
Do you attend any coaching classes?
Why should I when I have an excellent team of teachers guiding me in the school?
You are also good in sports. How do you manage to multitask so effectively?
Where there is a will, there is a way. My friend, if you are focused and determined, we can achieve the impossible.
Do you feel indiscipline among the youth is increasing day by day?
I don't think so. Today, so many of us are doing so well in sports, academics, art, music, etc. If we are a success, it is only due to the fact that we are disciplined. What you are talking about must be exceptions. I don't think it would be right to generalize.
Tell us about your hobbies and other interests.
I like to read, watch movies, and collect stamps. The only problem is that I don't get much time to pursue my hobbies and interests.
What is your ambition in life?
It's too early to decide, but one thing I can assure you, whatever I take up, I will excel in my chosen field.
Do you have any role models?
Many, but one man who has left a lasting impact on me is our ex-president Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His views and his works are an inspiration to me.
Any message to those who are reading this interview?
Don't you think I am too young for that? But I will share with you the words which inspire me. Our dreams has to be bigger, our ambitions higher, our commitments deeper and our efforts greater.
Thank you. Students, for better interviews, listen to interviews on television, maintain a file of good newspaper interviews, read them whenever you get time, conduct mock interviews, review your questions and answers and look for ways in which you can improve the same. Thank you.